You searched how to buy shares of Havsfrun Investment AB. Havsfrun Investment AB trades on CBOE EU under the ticker HAVB.ST, and this narration is educational only, not investment advice. To buy HAVB.ST, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will have to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HAVB.ST to find the stock. Select the result that clearly shows Havsfrun Investment AB to open the asset page. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm the listing. Verify the exchange says CBOE EU and the ticker is HAVB.ST before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed or the order fills. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform.